License Activation Manager allows you to manage all clients under one interface. The purpose of this video is to illustrate the client management interface and its features, showing how to add clients, edit and delete clients. The process of client registration is automated via License Activation Server, where you can allow clients to register using a serial number. For more about the registration, please check out our other videos in this channel. To add a client, do the following. Click on Clients and select the Manage section. Click on Add Client button to open the Add Clients window. Enter a customer ID and generate a password. This will enable the customer to log in to License Activation Server if installed on your server. Complete the information. Click on Add Client button to add the client to the database. Clients can normally manage their profile using License Activation Server. In this video we will look at the License Activation Manager interface for editing clients. The purpose of this demonstration is to illustrate the use of the License Activation Manager in editing client information. To edit a client, do the following. Navigate to Clients. Click on the View Clients button under the Client Management section. Select and double-click on the client you want to edit to open the Edit window. Make changes as needed. Click on the Update button to update the client information. Changes will be reflected on the client record as shown. To delete a client, do the following. Navigate to Clients, then select the Manage section. Click on View All Clients button to open the Clients window. Select the client you want to delete, then click on the Delete button. Please ensure that all related orders and licenses are removed from the client account before deleting the client.